Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So, before I get started, there is this thing that we'll need, SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. And once you do, simply pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the device, as you can see right over here. There we go. Once you push it in, the tray pops out and you can take it out. And it looks like I only have space for a SIM card or two of them, so bye-bye to SD card, I guess. So let's place it in like so. Make sure that it's laying flush on the tray, and from there simply insert it back into the device. Now if your SIM card has some kind of pin on it, you will need to insert that. There we go, and there it is. That's the SIM card insertion. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.